Hello friends, welcome back to ClaritySSC once again. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is algebra. And this is the continuations of the lecture 1 that we have discussed earlier, and we have discussed x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x type in the previous classes. And now we are going to discuss a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc type. So let's start the discussion now. And this class will be really important for the beginners who are really struggling to excel in the topic algebra. So please try to focus on the topic. Let's start the discussion. In order to understand this topic, we need to know the formula first. Let me write the formula. The formula for a cube, let me write here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. So there are four formulas. You need to know these four formulas. The first one is a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. This is the first formula. And the second formula is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square minus thrice ab plus bc plus ca. The third one is a plus b plus c divided by 2 thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square. And the last one is a plus b plus c by 2 and a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, and c minus a whole square. These are the four formulas that we are going to discuss in today's classes. Please remember this four formula. This will be the base to calculate all the questions. So let's see the questions one by one. The first question says, if a plus b plus c is equal to 5, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 85 and abc is equal to 25. Then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the first formula, that we have just discussed. This one, I will write it here. The first formula here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. This is the formula. We're going to apply this formula here. We're going to apply this formula here. Let's see. Let me write here. What's the formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. Here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is given. So we can write 85 here. and 3abc. And what is the value of 3abc? Is minus 3 into 25. A plus b plus c is given, it's 5. And a square plus b square plus c square, here I can write here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So it's 75, 10. 10 divided by 5 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So 2 is the correct answer. I think it's really simple. This is the first formula that we have just discussed. So let's move on to the questions one by one. Then you can see in a very fluent manner. Let's see question number 2. What is the value of a plus b plus 2c whole into a square plus b square plus 4c square minus ab minus 2bc minus 2ca? Let's see this. This is the same case. This is the same case that we have just discussed. Let me write the formula here. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. You can also open the bracket, whichever is convenient to you. Let me write here. See this. See this. A plus b, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. A plus b plus 2c. A square plus b square plus 2c square minus ab plus b 2c plus 2ca. I can write the expression like this. I can write the expression like this to get the formula. This is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. This is a cube plus b cube plus, what is c here? C is 2c. 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 Let me change this one. 2c whole cube minus thrice a b c. The same formula is applied here. The only difference is we take the value of c as 2c because it's written in the question. So it's a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube. The cube of 2 is 8 minus 6abc. So this one is the correct answer, which means option number D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's see this. A plus b plus c is equal to 7. ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 11. abc is equal to minus 1. What is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? This is the second formula. This is the second formula. Let me write the formula for you. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square minus thrice ab plus bc plus ca. This is the second formula that we have written in the earlier session. So let's try to calculate this question. Let me write the formula here for you. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to a plus b plus c and a plus b plus c whole square minus thrice ab plus bc plus ca. This is the same formula I've written. So what will be the value here? The value is 7. It's given in the question. A plus b plus c is again 7 square minus 3 into 11. This one is very simple. And here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice. What is the value of abc? It's minus 1. It's minus 1. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 is equal to 7. This is 49 minus 33. 49 minus 33 is 16. 49 minus 33 is 16 into 16. That means 112. This 3 will be here. The 3 will come into the right hand side. 109 is the correct answer. I'm just explaining how to calculate this question, but in the examination you will just need to calculate this portion only, this portion. So 109 is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Let's see question number 4. If P plus Q plus R is equal to PQR is equal to 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equal to 1. Let me write this. Here we can deduct that P plus Q plus R is equal to 1. PQR is equal to 1 as well, because it's written in the question. And let me write this expression. This one will become PQ plus QR plus RQ divided by PQR is equal to 1. But we know that the value of PQR is 1. This one will become 1. So PQ plus QR plus RQ will also become 1. Let's try to calculate this question. The question says we need to find the value of p cube plus q cube plus r cube. The formula for p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus thrice pqr is equal to p plus q plus r. The second formula whole square minus thrice pq plus qr plus rq. The second formula, I'm applying the second formula here. So the value of p plus q plus r is 1, and again 1 square minus 3 into 1, and this will become, in the left hand side, this value will become minus 3 into 1. So p cube plus q cube plus r cube will become, this one is minus 2 plus 3. So obviously 1 is the correct answer. Let's see the next one. Okay. Question number 5 says, if a plus b plus c is equal to 20 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 152, then we need to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. This is formula number 3. What does formula number 3 says? Formula number 3 says a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. and 3a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square. This is the third formula that I had given in the earlier session. So let's try to calculate by using this formula. What will be the value of a plus b plus c is 20. It's given here. 3 into 152 minus again 20 square is equal to 10. This one is 3 into 152. This is 456 minus 400. So obviously 10 into 56 is 560. So option number A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 50, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. The third formula again, let me write again for you. Why I'm writing the formula again and again? So that you can grasp the formula very easily. Just one a plus b plus c by 2. And in the second station, thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square. Yes, this is the formula. What will be the value of a plus b plus c? It's obviously 12. And thrice a square plus b square plus c square is 50 minus what is the value of a plus b plus c? Again, it's 12 only. So 6, 150 minus 144 is 6 into 6. Obviously, it's 36. 36 is the correct answer. Let's see the question one by one. By solving a maximum number of questions, you will maximize your accuracy and the speed. Accuracy and the speed is the key to crack this type of examination. So let's see how the question number 7 says. The question number 7 says if a plus b plus c is equal to 5 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 15, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc minus 27. This one, let me write the third formula. The third formula is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b plus c by 2 thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square. Here, in the question, there is an additional value of minus 27. So you need to add minus 27 in both the left hand and the right hand side. Minus 27 should be written in both the left hand and the right hand side. So let's calculate this. 5 by 2. In the question is given the value of a plus b plus c. Again 3 into 15 minus 5 square minus 27. This 27 will come here. 5 by 2. 45 minus 25. It's obviously 20 minus 27. 50 minus 27 is 23. So option number A is the correct answer. You need to be very thorough with this 4 formula. Only then you will be able to solve this type of question. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, this is the formula number 4 type. When to apply the formula number 4? Let's see this. If The numerical value is given. If the numerical individual value is given, then we can apply the formula, the fourth formula. Let me write here. If individual values are given, apply the fourth formula. If individual values are given, then apply the fourth formula. What does the fourth formula says? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus thrice ABC is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 and A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square. So here in the question, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. The fourth formula says x plus y plus z divided by 2 and x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This is the formula. This is the fourth formula that we have discussed. So x plus y plus z is 222 plus 223 plus 224 divided by 2 and the value of x minus y, the value of x minus y is minus 1. This is minus 1 square. What is the value of y minus z? Again, is minus 1 square. Why we are applying the fourth formula if the individual number is given? Because a smaller number will obtain a smaller number, because we need to subtract this x minus y, y minus z, and the z minus x. And here it's 2 square. So what will be the value of the sum? It's 966. Yes, 669 is the correct answer. Into 114, it's obviously 6 3. So 7002. So 2007 is the correct answer. This is the fourth formula. Fourth formula is really important if the individual value of the number x, y, z or a, b, c are given. Let's see the next question. The next question. Let's see question number 9. And the question number 9 says if x is equal to 5.51, y is equal to 5.52, and z is equal to 5.57, then what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz? Again, the fourth formula will apply here. What is the fourth formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z divided by 2 x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This is the fourth formula, and here what is the value of x plus y plus z? The value of x plus y plus z is 5.51 plus 5.52 plus 5.57 divided by 2. Here the value will be 0.01 square plus minus 0.05 whole square plus 0.6 square. What will be the value here? 0, 6 and 1 6 divided by 2 into 1. Here it's 0.0062. Yes, it's 8.3 into 0.0062. So what will be the value? 6415. Yes, and there are 5 points, so 0.0. So the correct answer is option number C is the correct answer. This is the fourth formula that we are applying here, the fourth formula. Here in the question number 10, we're going to apply the concept of mixing. The concept of mixing. The four formula that we have discussed, we are going to mix the four formula. How? I'll tell you. Here in the given formula, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is given. This is given in the fourth formula. And this two, a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square, this one is given in the third formula. We are going to mix the third and fourth formula. See this. The third formula is here. The third formula is here and the fourth formula is here. And both are equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. So we can equate these two formula. We can equate these two formula. Here, let me write here. We can write here only. What does the third formula says? The third formula is a plus b plus c divided by 2 and thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square is equal to the third formula. The third formula is a plus b plus c divided by 2 and a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So this is how I'm equating the two, because both are equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. So let me cancel this two. So this will be thrice 155 minus 19 square is equal to this expression. This expression, we need to find this expression. So we can write here only. So what will be the value here? 155, 5, 6, 465 minus 361. So 104 is the correct answer. So 104, option number A for apple. Option number A, 104 is the correct answer. This is how we are going to mix. Let's see some more type about this, the concept of mixing. Again, the concept of mixing will apply here. Here A given, B given, C given. I've already told you guys that if individual values of A, B, C are given, then we need to apply the fourth formula. This one, fourth formula. And this one is the first formula. This one is the first formula. So we are going to mix the two formula, the first formula and the fourth formula. So what does the first and the fourth formula says? It's a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b plus c, a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So I can cancel this 2. I can cancel this 2. So a square plus b square plus c square, I can write like this expression: a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 1 by 2. This one is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is nothing but minus 1 whole square. B minus c, again minus 1 whole square, plus 2 square. So 6 by 2, it's 3. 3 is the correct answer. Option number C, 3 is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 16, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 90, then find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, let's see this. These two expressions we can find in the third formula, and this expression we can find in the first formula. So first formula and the third formula, the mixing will happen in the first and the third formula. Let's see this. What does the first formula and the third formula say? The first formula is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to, what does the third formula says? Third formula is a plus b plus c by 2 thrice a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus b plus c whole square. These are the two formulas that we are equating. So we can just put the number here. We can cancel this 2. This one is 90. This one, we are going to find the value of this expression ab plus bc plus ca, and this one is 1 by 2. 3 into 90 minus 16 square. Okay, what's the value here? 1 by 2. It's 270 minus 256. So it's 4, 1, 2, 7. So what will be the value of AB plus BC plus CA? It's 90 minus 7. Obviously, it's 83. So option number B is the correct answer. So these are the concept of mixing. If the question says or asks to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, then we can apply the formula directly. But if the question is asked to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca, or a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square, or anything in the right hand side, then we need to search or find the value of mixing. Let's move on to the next question. Here, this one is very easy question. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. If these are the concept of a cube plus b cube plus c, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, because the 4 formula contain a plus b plus c. Here, see this. All the 4 formula have a plus b plus c. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then this expression will become 0 again. So this is what I have written here. So the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is exactly 3abc. Yes, exactly 3abc. Option number C is the correct answer. The same question, it's the same question. The next question says, if a plus b is equal to c, then the expression a cube plus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc will be equal to. This one is a plus b plus minus c is equal to 0. So this expression will become a cube plus b cube plus minus c cube. Here I am writing the expression c in the form of minus c. Minus thrice a, b and minus c. So this expression will become 0. Why? The sum is 0. So the correct answer is 0 only. Question number 16 says, if 8a cube plus b cube plus 27c cube is equal to 18 abc, then the relation among a, b and c is. Let's try to see this. We can write this expression in the form of cube twice a whole cube plus b cube plus 3c whole cube minus thrice 18 abc can be written as thrice 2a into b into 3c. 18a can be written in the form of 3 into 2a into b into 3c is equal to 0. So that means we are trying to write in the same pattern as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. If this is 0, then we have already written that twice a plus b plus 3c is equal to 0. A plus b plus c equal to 0. Let me write here. What I have just written here is, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to 0, then a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is what I've written here, where the value of a becomes twice a, b is b only, c is thrice c. So we can write here minus 2a. So option number D is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Simplify the following expression: x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube divided by x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Here, see this also, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x is nothing but 0. The whole expression will cancel here. X will cancel, y will cancel, and again z will cancel, and the sum of these three is 0. Then obviously this one can be written as, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then 3 abc, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 abc. This is what we have written. So this upper expression will become thrice x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x divided by x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So by evaluating this and cutting this 3, the answer is nothing but 3 only. So option number A, 3 is the correct answer. Please remember this point. Please remember this. Here I am taking the value here, x minus ys capital X, y minus zx capital Y, and z minus xs capital Z only. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let me write here. the concept of square. The concept of, or the formula of square. What is the formula of square? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice c. This is the formula of square. Please remember this formula. Let's see the question. Here, what is the value of the given expression a plus b plus c whole square minus a square minus b square minus c square? I've written the formula for a plus b plus c. It's nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. This expression will become this, and the remaining, this, let me write here, a square minus b square minus c square. So this will obviously cancel. A square will cancel, b square will cancel, and c square will cancel. And the answer will be twice ab plus bc plus ca. So option number B is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 16, ab plus bc plus ac is 81, we need to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Again, let me write the formula here. The formula of square. Whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice c. So this one is 16 square. This one, we need to find the formula. We need to find the value of this plus twice 81. So a square plus b square plus c square is 16 square is 256. 162. 94 is the correct answer. Option number A, 94 is the correct answer. Question number 20 says, if AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0, then find the value of 1 by A square minus BC plus 1 by B square minus CA plus 1 by C square minus AB. Let's try to solve this question. We can write this expression in the form of 1 by A square. What is the value of BC? What is the value of BC? Minus BC is equal to AB plus CA. So I can write AB plus CA. And here B square, what is the value of CA? The value of CA will be AB plus BC. Minus CA will be equal to AB plus BC. And again here, what will be the value of minus AB? The value of minus AB will be BC plus CA. Here, I'm trying to write from here, from this expression, I can write minus AB is equal to BC plus CA. And minus BC is equal to AB plus CA. And in the last one, minus CA is equal to AB plus BC. This is what I have written here. Take A common here, A plus B plus C. B common here, A plus B plus C. And C common here, A plus B plus C. By taking a plus b plus c common, I'll get the value 1 by a, 1 by b, and 1 by c. So the value will be bc, cac, plus ab divided by abc. We know that the value of ab plus bc plus ca is 0. So this will become 0. So the whole expression will become 0. So option number A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Next question says, if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to twice a plus c minus 1, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This one is asked in the CGL examination 2024. Let's see this. We can write this expression here, a square 2a, let me write here, a square minus a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a plus 2c minus 2. A square minus 2a plus 1, I can write here, plus b square plus c square minus 2c plus 1 is equal to 0. I'm trying to write the expression here. Here 2a will come here and 2c will come here. B remains as it is, and this 2 I can write in the form of minus 1 and minus 1. So this one comes here and this one comes here. Why I'm trying to write in the form of square? Because if the sum of this square is equal to 0, then the individual number will be a positive number. That means it will be greater than 0 or equal to 0. So let me write here. This one is nothing but a minus 1 whole square. Why? Because a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I'm applying this formula here only. And this one is b square. And this one is the same formula applies here, c minus 1 whole square. Since these three are positive, so individually it will become 0. That means a minus 1 is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, and c minus 1 is equal to 0. So a will become 1, b is 0, no doubt, and c is 1. So we get the individual value of a, b, and c. So we can find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. It's nothing but 1 cube plus 0 cube plus 1 cube. It's obviously 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Option number B, 2 is the correct answer. I hope you guys get this point. So you need to remember this 4 formula. The 4 formula that I had given in the first session. This one is the first formula, and this is the second formula, and this is the third formula, and this is the fourth formula, and this is the value that we need to find. So today we learn how to solve different types of questions with respect to these 4 formulas. You can keep practicing for such questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you all.